Are you a big fan of stop motion animations like me? So you're gonna love this.
My name is Kubo. I look after my mother mostly. What was father like?
He was just like you. Strong and so handsome.
Mother.
Kubo and the Two Strings is a 2016 American stop-motion animated action fantasy film directed by Travis Knight and produced by animation studio Laika. It's the story of a young boy, Kubo, growing up in a fantastical version of ancient Japan. A special one-eyed boy who has the magic of bringing his origami characters to life by playing the shamisen, a stringed Japanese instrument.
I use magic to tell stories. If you must blink, do it now. About epic battles, warriors and monsters. But I had no idea my stories were actually true.
We've been looking for you for so long.
His mother told him that he cannot be seen out in the night sky because his otherworldly grandfather, the Moon King, would return to Earth and take his other eye. When Kubo stays out too late one evening, after a festival to honor the spirits of the dead, his mother protects him against her evil sisters and sends him on a journey to find the only thing that will keep him safe, his father's magical armor.
Mother!
Kubo, you must find your father's armor. It's your only chance.
Kubo! Who are you?
Guided by an encouraging monkey and helped by a samurai beetle, Kubo must find the sword, the breastplate, and the helmet that will help him defeat his grandfather.
I'm here to protect you, Kubo. And that means you have to do as I say. Don't mess with the monkey.
Have you seen this crest before?
Of course.
This is a miracle. I have found the son of my master. Your quest is now my quest too.
That's enough. I'm not gonna spoil any details. You can watch this amazing movie on زبان app. It's definitely a must watch. Just click on Zoom, go through the movies, and then you can find it right there. And by the way, the link to download the app is in the bio. Now let's see a short part of one of my favorite scenes and learn some vocabulary.
It's a shame you never stay past sundown. There's fireworks and singing and dancing and feasting, of course.
It's a shame, or what a shame, is used when you wish a situation were different and you feel sad or disappointed. Fireworks are small objects that are lit to entertain people on special occasions. Feast as a noun means a large meal where a lot of people celebrate a special occasion, like a wedding feast. But as a verb, it means to eat and drink a lot to celebrate something.
But the best part of all, do you see those lamps and altars? We use those to speak to the loved ones that left us behind.
The loved ones that left us behind. That's a nice way to refer to the people we have lost.
We listen to their tales and guide their safe return to the blissful Pure Land.
Really? Did you speak to someone?
Yes, I did. My husband.
A tale is a story, often involving magic or exciting events. Blissful means extremely happy, full of joy.
His voice was as clear and loud as the one you use for your stories. In 72 years, he never had a thing to say. Now he's gone. I can't shut him up.
Oh my god, I know you want to watch that again.
In 72 years, he never had a thing to say. Now he's gone. I can't shut him up.
Okay, to shut someone up means to make them stop talking, make them be quiet. Alright, if you want to learn more vocabulary and see some exciting behind the scenes footage, watch the full version of this video on زبان. Bye!
Do you need a little help?
No. Yes.